Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a Jura E6 with us in the shop, and it came in just for a overall tune-up on the machine, just a general service to the machine and its brew unit. So pretty much what we do on a tune-up is we remove the panel that opens the brew side, which would be the left side panel where the water tank goes. You take off this whole panel with a few set screws, and then you remove the whole panel, and then you have a kind of a door. You open the door, and the whole brew unit's kind of inside. So we removed it. We were originally going to replace the brew valve on this. As you can see, here's the new one. And the reason I was going to replace the brew valve, because when your brew valve starts kind of melting in a sense, all these corners and all the actual plastic starts turning white, which is what I seen when we opened it, or when I looked through originally, and then when I pulled it out and got to washing it, actually was perfectly fine. So this would be adjusted in the estimate. There would be no new brew valve. All we did was service it because it was in really good condition. Also took the whole brew unit out, clean the whole thing, replace its gaskets, replace the gaskets in this thing too, by opening it up. This is a good demonstration. Opening up screws, taking this off, and there's a bunch of little gadgets and gizmos in there. A few gaskets in there that we replaced, and just cleaned out all the coffee grounds. That's where most of the coffee grounds get built up, is in that little valve, because that valve releases a lot of pressure. And so after that, cleaned all the walls of the machine, external cleaning also, and then we did descaling and a few not back flushing, but cleaning cycles on this machine with cleaning tablets. We use Kafiza, and these are the bigger size tablets, the E31, so they are quite chunky compared to, I think it's the 60s, E60s. And so yeah, now we are here. I believe we have some coffee in there to test. Yes, we do. So we're just going to make an espresso, and we're going to brew. We're going to test the hot water. We're going to test the steaming just to make sure everything works. And yeah, after that, this machine will be ready to go. I'm going to do a few wiping around since we are using the machine right now, just so you get a really good machine back. But yeah, as you can see, brewing really well. Beautiful shot right there. This is old coffee, so don't worry about the crema on this one. Of course, when you put fresh coffee in there, it will make really good. That's 1.5 ounces. Now we're going to milk foam, which is just going to kick the steamer on. Usually you want to connect the hose to actually pull from a milk container. But since we don't have that, nor are we actually going to put milk in this machine, we're just going to hit the steam. Open switch. As you can see, steam comes out, and right now it's wanting to get the milk through here so that I can make foam, but of course we don't have that, so we're going to turn that off. And we're just going to do hot water, and after that we should be set to go. Hot water is just, there you go. Put this right under just so I can catch it. So it's going to get steadier and steadier until it's a steady stream of hot water. And yeah, that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other videos on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.